Okay. Go.
This is the Pop Mart bag.
What's in it?
We have in here the Monsters Wacky Mart grocery store items of the Labubu. Next we have the newest line of Labubus, Pin for Love, which is a smaller keychain. And look at all the color options.
It's a lot.
Amazing. And then last but not least, we have the Naruto series. Look at our options, and they each come with a special base.
Okay, we'll start with the Monsters Wacky Mart. What's the options? Let me see. Turn around.
I want the shrimp
Fried shrimp. Okay.
or the sardine.
Mm-hmm.
The yakitori is the only one I don't want.
All right.
All right. Let's see. Oh no. It feels heavy. You can't really tell what it is by feeling it.
Bust it open.
Oh! I got the salad!
Wow.
Ah, look, and it comes with a little case. Oh my goodness, look. Look at this. It says Labubu 520 on
This
it.
is heavy.
This is really cute. There's a label, there's even a barcode on it. Because this is salad. Okay, are we doing the Naruto after this?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want?
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. So here are the options. I would like basically anything from the top row I'd be satisfied with, as well as Itachi and Madara, basically, I think. I looked at what the secret one is. It's this girl who I have no idea who it is, so that's what I'm looking for. Picked up the heaviest one of the lot. I did go through, fill them all out, store, so hopefully that's a good sign. So, let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, so there's a base. There's a tree. Ooh. Oh, Hashirama Senju. Okay. I believe that's filled up. Hashirama. Yeah, is that him? Yeah, that's him. It's actually a pretty cool looking one. Nice little fire. Let's have to figure out who he is. From Hidden Leaf Village, I believe. Yeah. Cool.
Do you like him?
It's alright. When I went through and watched Naruto, I did only the canon episodes, and this wasn't someone that I recall from my watch through, so I'll have to go back and do some research. But let me find one here. Go. Bam. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, last one.
I want the chocolate one.
Let's see the options.
I want the chocolate one.
It's the letter L.
I don't want the white one because that's gonna get dirty. I want the chocolate one.
I'm rooting for pink M.
What? Okay.
Slight bias.
We gotta shake it to see. Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna flip it over. This is a cute bag. Look at that. Okay, are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are we ready? Let's see what color this is.
Is that pink?
It's so cute. It's purple. No, it
letter
is
is
pink.
it?
It's M.
I called it, did I not?
M.
Wow.
Oh my god, look, it has a little M on it. That is so cute. It's got an M on a butt?
Yeah, the girl was saying. Look at that. Let's see the eyes. Does it have the, oh no, it's just flat printed. Doesn't have the cool transparent eyes like the bigger ones do, but that's bigger than I expected. That is the size of the box. Wow, she was wrong. I thought they would be like
That's
this size.
really cute. Oh, do the big ones have transparent eyes? I mean,
Yeah, they're glassy eyes.
I like the M on the butt. This is cute.
Hold still. Nice. Okay, so that wraps up the Pop Mart haul. You got the salad and the monsters. You got this person whose name I already forget from Naruto. And we got the letter M from the new line of the monsters, the Labubu. How would you describe this color?
Purple.
It's more fuchsia, I think. Happy?
Yeah.
Cool.